welcome to Ask the Wise Guy BFA, which is Business Finance Audit Form tutorial. So, the objective here is to help us know more about your business in depth for our analysis and have a fruitful meeting further. So, let's get started by writing your name. I'm gonna write mine, then I'll add my number and then your email ID and click on next. Here we will be talking about your primary business. You can have multiple businesses, but this for firstly you will have to fill this form with the details of your primary business. So the first question is, what is your type of business? So it could be a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLP, a private limited or a public limited which is unlisted, and then you can have another listed company or an HUF. Then coming to the next question, so how many directors are there, or if partners, one, two, more, and a number of partners. And the next question here is monthly salary drawn. So monthly salary drawn is by all the partners together. So say if partner A has monthly salary of um, monthly salary of say 1 lakh and another partner has a monthly salary of um, 3 lakh. So the monthly salary drawn is gonna be 5 lakhs. तो आप यहाँ पे 5 lakhs enter करोगे and then you will click on next. So next we come to business assets. So it's simple, like how many total amount that you have in your account, in your business account basically. Then we have debt. So अगर आपने invest कर रखा है FDs, bonds, debts, or if you have given loan to anyone, so you select debt. And then equity. Equity includes indexes, stocks, mutual funds, AIF. Next comes property. So any property apart from the ones that you're using for your business purposes, say factory, warehouse, or your office, it should not be a part of it. Next coming to gold, कि आपने gold में invest कर रखा है, anything with anything but not jewelry like bars, coins. In fact, sovereign gold bonds, any digital form of gold is also a part of it. Next comes insurances. अगर आपने insurances में invest किया है, so you'll select that. And then lastly, the amount that you have idle cash with yourself, that will be a part of your business assets. Once done, next is the total of the business assets in the amount. So जो भी आपने यहाँ पे select किए हैं business assets, उनका total, say maybe 10 CR or something. So accordingly you will put your numbers. Next, तो आपका जो business का turnover है in rupees is what you have to mention यहाँ पे. It is the declared turnover of the business but in rupees. So XYZ amount, whatever the amount is. Next, coming to your net profit. So this is not your gross profit, but this is the net profit of the business, which is post income tax has been paid. So you will have to put your number, say 30%. So you'll just simply write 30. Coming to debt amount, so it is the amount of loan that you have taken. So it could be in any form, maybe overdraft or any other type. So any sort of borrowings which is external and not your own money, so that will be your debt amount. Say any XYZ figure. So now coming to debt rate, तो the cost of borrowing for the loans that you have taken. So आप इसका एक average weight निकालोगे कि एक लोन है से 10% के, दूसरा है से 5%, तो उसका average कि आपने उसका average कितने पे लिया of both the overdrafts and term loans. Say I'll just say anything between um, 12%. नेक्स्ट, अगर आपके पास कोई कोलैटरल ऑफर्ड है, so if you have taken this loan, if it's unsecured, then you can write unsecured over here. Or if it's in form of FD, factory, office, you can just select whichever is applicable. नेक्स्ट इज द रीइन्वेस्टमेंट परसेंटेज ऑफ नेट प्रॉफिट. सो जो भी आपका नेट प्रॉफिट है उसका, इफ़ यू आर री इन्वेस्टिंग द अमाउंट से बैक इन टू योर बिजनेस, अगर उसका आप 10% कर रहे हो, बिलो 10 और अप टू 30 और अप टू, या फिर आप सारा अमाउंट करो, सो दैट इज हाउ यू विल सेलेक्ट एनी वन ऑफ द ऑप्शंस गिवन and then you click on next. So coming to the last part of the form, so this is about your business. How do you evaluate your business? So say first, say who conducts the financial audit, like is it done in house or CFO, or say none. So you can just mention none over here. And the next question says like, who prepares the financial data? So is it your team, finance team, or you have hired an external consultant, or you do it on your own, आपका CFO, or none, or you don't know? So you can just mention whichever is applicable. Then coming to the frequency of financial data preparation. So जो भी आपका financial data preparation है, how frequently you do this? Do you do it monthly, annually, or only when it is required, या फिर कोई भी reason से? And please note that this is not for compliances, but this is just for the purpose of business analysis. So let's say quarterly. Lastly, next I mean, so frequency of financial data review. So जो भी आप financial data बनाते हो, you and your team, how frequently do you review it? Is it done again monthly, quarterly, annually, or only when required? Next, what financial matrix do you track? So जब आप, so this is about how you do your analysis. Like, do you track your revenue and revenue growth, net profit, or cash flow? So whatever is applicable. Or if we have missed something, you can put that thing over other. Say anything, XYZ. नेक्स्ट कम्स टू, डू यू ट्रैक द फॉलोइंग मंथली, या फिर आप नहीं करते हो? यू कैन, बिकॉज रॉकी, डेटर डेज, इन्वेस्टर, दे आर प्रीटी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो इफ यू डू इट डेली, इफ यू sorry, if you do it monthly, or none. Last, second last, sorry. So does the business need you to add more capital from your personal file? So if कभी situation आ सकती है where you need to add more capital to your business, so do you do it annually, quarterly, monthly, or yearly, or you don't do it at all? So you can just select whichever is applicable. And lastly, so do you pay the interest to yourself on this capital? So जो भी आप funds add कर रहे हो, do you pay interest to you on the same amount? So do you, if you know it, yes, no, and if you don't know, you can just simply put NA, and then you click on submit. And lastly, you have done your business finance audit, and this will redirect to your next form, which is the personal finance audit. So you can click on the link and go to your personal finance audit form.